Is Windows 11 showing file history doesn't recognize this drive? Don't worry, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you the exact fix to get your backup working again. Let's solve it fast. First, go to the Start menu and search for File History. Now click on File History to open it. If File History is showing off, then turn it on from here. Here is the next solution. Go back to the Start menu and search for Services. Click on the Services app. Scroll down and find File History Service. Right-click on it and select Properties. Set the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply, then click OK. Now look for Windows Search in the list. Right-click on Windows Search and click Properties. Again, set the startup type to Automatic. Click Apply, then click OK. Now restart your computer. Right-click on the Start button, go to Shut Down or Sign Out, and click Restart. Now your file history issue is finally fixed, and Windows 11 can recognize your drive again. If this tutorial helped, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.